Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to rethread strings back into clothing that may have come out during use or during washing and drying. So for example, there's a lot of sweat clothes and jackets and stuff where the string will come out all the way out of the clothes, and you want to know how to get it back realigned into the clothing. I'll show you an example with this particular hoodie. So the string out of the dryer came out just through the back and forth of the dryer, and then the string came out. So the only thing you're going to need, of course, is your clothes, and you're going to need a wire, like a wired hanger, and then you're going to need packing tape or a strong packaging tape. So what I want to do is take this off, rewire this, and actually you might need a pair of pliers to straighten the wire out. Now after I get my wires straight from the clothes hanger, I'll get me a piece of packing tape and take one end of the string, and I'm going to parallel the string with the wire and wrap it around. And you really only have to do it there. You want to make it to where it's not sticky. And then from there, I'm going to feed it into the hole. And be careful not to poke through your clothing. Voila! We made it. And hopefully the string is still intact. Yep, there's the string. So we officially did it. Now, the only thing we have to do is cut the plastic off. So what I like to do here is go ahead and tie the two pieces of your string so it won't come out as you're taking the wire out. And voila! And then remove your tape, just like new. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.